Hello, how do I do my daily chart analysis of large cap stocks for swing trading purposes? We have our maximum daily chart open here on Swing of Dream platform, and we have our Think or Swim platform, and we have our watch list open here. We are going to analyze few. So the first one is COR. So COR, and we are doing the analysis today, September 7, 2025, after the market closing on September 5, 2025. So we have our purple lines, which are the support lines passing by the valley of the charts where we want to buy. So for stocks that we have not purchased yet, they are not highlighted like this one. We will try to analyze them comparing where the price is to where we want to buy them. And for the one that are highlighted like this, for instance, we will analyze where the price is to where we want to exit or sell the new high, the next new high. So for this one, COR, we'll compare it like we want to buy. We will analyze it like if we want to buy. So the last day that the market was open, it closes at a higher price. So the price is green there. However, it's still far from where we want to buy. Therefore, we are not going to do anything. But when we are looking at the chart though, we have those two lines, but it seems like it's touching base with this line a lot more often than this. So this could be a line that we will try to target to see if we want to buy at that, or if it's going to pull back to this one. We'll just keep observing it. The next one is cost. So Costco, we have these two lines will be where we like to buy. This line is supporting the upside wall of the mountain. It climbed it all the way to the top, and now it's going down. And the last time the market was open, it closes at a higher price. So just we have a green bar, and we have a green price. The price is highlighted. The closing price is highlighted as a green as well. A red bar will mean the price at the end of the day when the market was closing was lower than the price in the morning when the market's open. The price drop. That'll be a red bar. So for Costco, again, it's far from the valley. The price climbed the mountain, and now is working on the downside of the mountain, going down. Nothing we are going to do about that at this point. CRM. So CRM is the last one that we'll analyze today in this video. And CRM, we have our entry point down there because we see that in the past it did a wide mountain, and this could be a wide mountain as well. So this brown line show the upside of the mountain. Now the price is going down, working on the downside of the mountain. Again, it closes on Friday at a higher price than it opened in the morning. Just we have a green highlighted price there, but it's still far from where we want to buy. So that is how I do my daily chart analysis of stocks that I like to purchase for swing trading purposes. If you have a full-time job and you do not have time to swing trade, long option, long swing trading strategy excuse me, could be a strategy that might work for you. And the way the strategy works is you analyze your chart as often as possible, like on a daily basis if you can, to just observe how the chart is moving. You trace your support lines passing by the lows of the the chart using maximum monthly chart. You trace your lines and you just pinpoint the one that you think are more like valid lines that the price touch base with often, and you analyze your chart on a daily basis on the maximum daily chart, comparing where the price is to where you want to buy it. When you reach it and start, maybe went down or close to it, or reach it and start going up, making higher lows. After a few higher lows, once the price drop and start going up again, you can buy at the first good bar that follow a pullback. You can buy, and from there you can continue observing it, doing your daily chart analysis, comparing where you purchase it, where the price is, to where you want to exit. And where you want to exit could be the next high, because for those large cap stocks, they do reach a new high often. And once you reach it, you can compare the previous high to see if it continue to go up after reaching a high, the next high, or if you pull back from there. And you make your decision whether you want to stay longer in the trade or exit there. And you, with that strategy, you are not going to trade often, you are not going to buy often, you are not going to sell often. Therefore, you are not going to have to do recording of your trade often either. It can be a flexible way to invest and trade in the stock market when you have a busy schedule, working and taking care of a household. So, and that is the long option and swing trading strategy that I'm using this year, 2025. It takes time though to find stocks that you'll analyze, curate, to narrow them down to a certain number of stocks that you think you can analyze every day within an hour or so, and just analyze them. And as one is not performing well with the strategy you are using, you can flag them. That way at the end of the year you can take them out of your list and put some others in your list again. So you'll have a master list of more stocks, and you'll have a shorter list that will be the stocks that you will analyze every day. And over time, you will have a curated list of stocks that work well with the strategy that you swing trade with. And your strategy, you will customize it as well to your liking, to meet your personality type, your risk tolerance, and again to work with the stocks that you chose to trade. And the goal is, by just trading from the same list, you'll be familiarized with you'll familiarize yourself with the same stocks and how they behave. And you might take certain risks with them more so than if they were brand new stock that you never traded before. For instance, if it touched the base with the value line, you might decide to buy instead of waiting for that to start going up. Things like that, because you know it may not go down past that or so. So those are like instances. Additionally, when you start small, you can, once you have a good feel of the stocks you are trading, that they work well with the strategy you are using, you know that once you start making profit, like $1 profit or so, by just buying one share of stocks Also, you know that to make $2 profit, you just need to buy 2 shares, for instance. Does that make sense? So you start small, and once you know that that strategy you chose is working for you to increase your profit, you just increase the number of shares you are buying for each one of those stocks. Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for all of your comments. Thank you very much, you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and ninasoap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money, different ways to make money, to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small. For more of stock related videos, would you please check the links to the playlist in the description of this video. Thank you.